Hello students, today I am explaining you problem number 10. Now the problem number 10 is the area of equilateral triangle. Please see this now. This is the equilateral triangle ABC and there are circles are drawn at all the three vertices. Now you know we have to find this particular area. Please. If you see here area of triangle ABC, because it is an equilateral triangle, so area will be root 3 upon 4 a square. A means this full length from here to here. Now in this particular sum, very important part is that the area is given 17320.5 and the value of root 3 is given 1.73205 upon 4a square. So here 17320.5 into 4 upon 1.73205 equal to a square. So if I remove the point, there will be how many zeros? 1 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 zeros. And when you remove this point, there will be 1 zero. So this full part cancelled and this cancelled. So a square is 4 and 4 zeros. Number of zeros are very important now. Please. So the value of a will be, what is the square root of 40,000? It is, the value of a is 200 centimeter. So this length is 200 centimeter. So definitely this length will be 100 centimeter. Now you know it is an equilateral triangle. So this angle is 60 degree. So what is the required area? Required area is area of triangle minus 3 into area of each sector. 1, 2, 3. And you know these three sectors are equal in area. So it is 17320.5 minus 3 into 60 upon 360 pi. The value of pi is 3.14. It is given in the sum. That is the special part. And the value of root 3 is also given here. So here this will be 6 times, then it is 2 times, and if you multiply it is 1.57. So final answer is 173205 minus 15700. That will be the answer, and if you subtract this, the answer will be 1620.5 centimeter square. That is the area of this shaded region. So I hope this sum is clear to you. It is not required to explain you sum number 11. I am coming to now sum number 12, which is little different. Yes, in this sum there is a quadrant. The name of the quadrant is given here. It is OACB. So the first part is area of quadrant. Area of quadrant OACB. It will be 1 upon 4 pi r square. So answer is 1 upon 4, 22 upon 7, 7 by 2 and 7 by 2. This is 7 by 2. As I told you, whenever you find 3.5, it is better you use 7.7 by 2. So now this part is cancelled here and it is 11. Clearly the answer is 77 upon 8 centimeter square. So that is the first one. The second part is, dear students, area of shaded region. See now, the shaded region is what? Area of quadrant. What will be the shaded region now? Area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Which triangle? BOD triangle. So it is 77 upon 8 minus half base into height. Please see this part now. It is half base into height. So if you subtract this part, then 77 upon 8 minus 7 by 2. So it is, LCM is 8. 77 minus 28. I hope this part is clear to you. And if you subtract, it is 49 upon 8 is the answer for this shaded region. I hope it is clear to you. Now I am taking next problem, which is little interesting. Sum number 13. There is a quadrant and one square is there in the quadrant. We have to find the area of the shaded region, and definitely it is clear from the diagram that area of quadrant, full area minus area of square. Now for area of square, I can understand the answer is 20 into 20. The problem lies with the area of quadrant, because in this problem, one more thing I want to tell you, the value of pi is 3.1. In this problem, the radius is not given. Now, this angle is 90 degree. So, in triangle OAB, what is r square? It is 20 square and 20 square. Simple Pythagoras theorem. So, r square is 400 plus 400. So r square is 800. So now the area of quadrant is what? 1 upon 4 pi r square. So it is 1 upon 4, 3.14 into, directly you write 800 minus 400. This 400. Here if you multiply, we cancel, then it is 200. So 628 minus 400. So answer is 228 centimeter square. So in this way you can find the area of the shaded region, and definitely it is area of quadrant minus area of square. But for area of quadrant we were not having the radius. So the Pythagoras theorem has helped us to find directly the value of r square, which we have used in this particular problem. Now sum number 15. This is little typical problem. So I have made only the half part of the diagram. This is 14 centimeter. This angle is 90 degree. This is 14 centimeter. This is 14 centimeter. So first of all we will calculate BC by Pythagoras theorem. So in triangle ABC, angle A is 90. So BC square is 14 square, 14 square. So BC is root 196 plus 196. So BC is 14 root 2. Not much part in this. Now here, by taking this BC as a diameter, one semicircle is drawn. So now I am making the semicircle, this part, this semicircle, and we have to find this area. So what is this particular area? It is area of semicircle minus area of this dotted part. That is area of segment. So required area is, please see, area of semicircle minus area of segment. Area of semicircle is half pi r square. Now the question arises about the r square. you see this full length is 14. So the radius will be 7 root 2. So it is 7 root 2 whole square minus area of this dotted part. It is area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Which triangle? 14 into 14. Please see this part. Please see this part. Area of semicircle. From this semicircle we will subtract this area. This area will be area of quadrant minus area of triangle. So the next part is 1 upon 2, 22 upon 7, 49 into 2 minus 1 upon 4, 22 upon 7. The radius is 14 into 14 minus it is 7. So 98. Now the next part is this 2 and this 2 cancelled and this 7 and 7. So 154 minus, see this 7 and 7, 2 ja. This 2 will be 2 times and this will be 11 times. So this will also be 154 minus 98. So the final answer is 154 minus 154 plus 98. So final answer is 98 centimeter square. I hope this is clear to you. So that is the answer for this particular sum. I am taking the last problem now. Yes, dear students, I made the half part of the diagram. And if you study this half part nicely, it is actually a segment. So what is the area of this half part? It is 1 upon 4 pi r square minus half 8 into 8. That is area of quadrant minus area of triangle. Now if you multiply this by 2, then it will be the required area. So you see now 1 upon 4, 22 upon 7 into 8 ka square. And it is half into 8 into 8. Multiply it by 2 because it is double. So now I am making the second part. Here also the same thing will repeat it. So here it is 22 into 64 upon 28 minus 64 upon 2 and multiply this by 2. Please see this part now. See nicely, I am not enough. So if you cancel it, it is 11 time and this is 14 time. And from these two, we can take 64 common. So it is 11 by 14 and 1 by 2 into 2. Please see this part nicely. Here, if you take the LCM, it is 64. The LCM is 14. So it is 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 and still it is into 2. So 64 into 4 into 2 upon 14. So this will be 7 times. So 64 into 4 is 256 upon 7 centimeter square. That is the area of this particular part. So I hope this part is clear. With the help by this problem now we have completed the chapter area related to the circle. I already explained you this chapter very nicely in the online class. But some of you are not joining the online class. That is the bad part. Please join the online classes now. Zoom classes in coming days. I am taking lot of revision. I will be taking lot of revision in that classes. So please join that. It is my humble request to all of you. Thank you.